Okay, today we're going to do something a little bit different. I got a new iPhone. How do I get all my information, apps, all that stuff onto my new phone? I had this one here, the XR. My 2-year contract is over, so today I got a new one. So it's not the newest one, but I'm hoping for some better quality because I do use these a lot for making videos. They're so handy when they're just in your pocket. So I did get the new phone with the same phone number. How do I get all my information, apps, all that stuff onto my new phone? I don't think it matters too much which iPhone you have. But I guess the first thing you want to do is back up your old phone just in case. You can use the backup to transfer stuff, but you go to your profile and then you want to go to iCloud and then you want to go to iCloud backup and you want to back it up now, make sure it's on. So I've already went ahead and did that. And then I guess you should reset the new phone. So that seems okay because it's not set up yet. So I'm not worried about losing anything or resetting it if I haven't, if it's not properly set up yet. So settings, general, and then down at the very bottom, transfer or reset. So I think I'm going to reset this one. Make sure everything's ready to transfer to a new iPhone. So I think I want to erase all content and settings. So I'm actually going to reset the new phone, which seems kind of weird, but that's what I'm going to do. Erase and reset. Continue. I'm not too worried about anything because I don't have anything on there. But I think my old phone will recognize the new phone. So this is one way to do it. There's a few ways you can do it, I guess. We're going to be doing this together till it gets the hello screen. Okay, it looks like we got the hello screen. So I've completely reset the new phone. And I've backed up the old phone, so I think I'm going to lock this phone and then unlock it. And then this comes up. It recognizes that I have a new phone beside it. Set up the new phone. So when you reset a new phone, somehow your old phone can recognize it. So when I lock and unlock, this comes up. Continue. And then they're gonna sync up. So I have to hold the camera up to the screen, and then I have to type in the passcode from that phone into this phone. And away she goes. Now it's setting up. It may take a few minutes to activate. In some cases it can take up to half an hour. Over here it says finish on your new phone. But maybe after I'm finished, I might erase all my personal data off my old phone. Or reset and erase the same as we did on the new phone. Face ID, I'll set that up later. Transfer your data. Download from iCloud or transfer from iPhone. So you can do it over the cloud and it'll download certain things later with Wi-Fi, or you can do it directly from the other phone. So I'm going to try directly from the other phone. Terms and conditions. Agree. See if I can remember my Apple password. Somehow all these Apple devices are connected. Make this your new phone. Here's everything as you had on your old phone. Continue or customize. I'll just continue for now. It's remembering my MasterCard. That's fine. Double click the side button, authenticate with Face ID and hold near the reader for Apple Pay. Siri, set up later. iPhone analytics, don't share. Transferring data. So now they're in transfer mode. This could take up to 25 minutes or half hour. Transfer complete. Your data has been transferred to your other iPhone. Before you trade in, give away, or sell this iPhone, you should completely erase it by going to settings. So that's what we did to this one. But when I erased it, that enabled it to reboot to the hello screen, and then this phone, somehow they recognize each other when they're nearby. So this phone recognizes a brand new phone and it allows you to transfer. But I did back this one up on the iCloud first, just in case, so if anything does go wrong. So I actually saved my data on the cloud on this one, and then I rebooted this one, and that those are just sort of extra steps. But you can actually erase this phone and transfer to the new one. I just wanted to back it up on the cloud just in case first. So this one says transfer complete, and it says erase all your data before you sell this phone or trade it in. And this one is booting or rebooting with hopefully all my apps and stuff. This phone is in good shape, but the screen protector is damaged, so I'm gonna try to peel the screen protector off. And I was gonna put a new one on there because the case was a little bit messed, so I got a new case for it, but I wasn't sure how long I was gonna keep it. So I did get a silicone, just a cheap silicone case for the new 12, just to wrap around the corners in case you drop it or something. And I did get a screen protector for that one as well. So while this one's booting up, I might try to take the screen protector off. You can do it with a piece of paper. Oh look, it's got my Firebird on the background and everything. There's all my photos and stuff on my new phone. So that's cool. And my background image from my other phone. Today I'm actually using a camera, so I haven't used a camera in a long time. I've been using the iPhone. One thing I noticed is there's a sensor flickering on the top of the new phone. And the old phone doesn't seem to be doing that. Interesting. They're watching us.